Okay, we already got the captain's thing done, right? Okay, now we're gonna go inside the boat.
No, you have to pull it towards you.
Okay, now we're going in the boat. Ow, I hit my head again. Thank you for opening the door. Okay, there's the kitchen. Quite nice, might I add. 2 refrigerators. And we walk this way. And there's more. Then we got a VIP stateroom, which is someone's room. Then you go upstairs. We'll go upstairs in a minute. Let's see. Oh yeah. Hold on. We got water fountain. We got bunks in there. There's the yucky bathroom. Upstairs we go. Da, 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 da.
So it's gonna be a while before we get.
Now you gotta go up like 2 flights of stairs. Go there. Then we got another bathroom.
See, this is the captain.
There's an office. And now we go up.
Here.
Oh, she's videotaping. Yes, I'm videotaping if it wasn't obvious.
Here is the top of the boat.
And there's Gardner. There's Gardner and Daddy. Say hi.
Hello.
And then this is it.
And there's my brother-in-law Daryl.
And then we go this one. And we see the other one.
Then we go out here. Say hi.
Hello. Back to the dock, almost.
Yep. And there's the You Are Sharp boat thingy. But this boat's way better. Because it's my daddy's boat.
I know.
And there's Stephanie all the way down there. Hi.
Hi.
And there's the butt of the boat. Hi.
Come on, sit down there and show you all the rest of it.
Okay, let's go this way now. Total YouTube video.
Big boy.
Putting it on YouTube. Down the stairs. Yeah. Go down here. He's moving the rope. Say hi. And we go down more. And there's more people. See? Can't be lonely on this boat. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yes, I make everybody say hi. And I believe this is the last person out of everybody. Say hi. Or just completely ignore me. Hi. He doesn't talk much. Okay, it's light over here. Let's go this way. There's the boat. Back to the boat. This is the very back of the boat. Let's go this way. Da, 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 da. It's very loud in here because of the motor. Let's do a little more, and we got a pretty view of the boat. Cha, 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 cha. I'm bored. Haha. Okay. And there's the water. And the dock. We walk this way a bit more. Now we gotta go back inside.